Hello everyone, welcome to another C/C++ programming tutorial. Today I will be talking about pointers, and a pointer is defined as a variable whose value is the memory address of another variable. As you can see from this picture, we have the values and their memory addresses. We have value of 70 here pointed to the memory address location of 1003. The value 70 is stored in a memory address location of 1003. Let's say that we assign the value 70 to the variable n. We would declare int n equal to 70. To get the value at the address of n pointed by variable ptr, we would declare this way by assigning an integer pointer to the address given n% of n. So int star pointer equal to n% of n. To print the value pointed by variable ptr, we would dereference by putting an asterisk in front of variable ptr. So standard cout star ptr end line. To modify the value pointed by ptr, we put an asterisk in front of variable ptr and assign a value to it. Star pointer equal to 100. Okay, let's jump into Visual Studio Code and show you what pointers are like in C++. So first off, I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to call this pointer.cpp and then save. First thing I declare is include IOStream for standard input output. Next, declare using namespace standard. Next, int main void, and I'm going to declare int n equal to 70, and I'm going to create an integer pointer that holds the address of n. So it's going to be int star ptr equal address of n. Then give me the output, give me the value pointed to address of n. So I do cout of star ptr end line. Okay, then I can do assign the value 100 pointed by variable ptr. So star ptr equal to 100. Okay, then I can do cout of star ptr. Okay, and let's do a return 0. Okay, and let's save this. And let's do a compilation. G++ pointer okay, and if you do an a.out, you can see that I'm getting a value of 70 and then a value of 100. Okay, now the other useful thing with pointer is that you can pass it a function. For example, I can create a function called void print int star x, right? And you can see that this function doesn't return anything, but I can So let's say I print out x equal to star x, okay? But if I want to modify the value, I can do that by saying star x equal to, let's say, 25, okay? And if I pass in pointer here, okay, the address is going to be the address to this value 100. As soon as I pass this address here, this is being modified. So if I do a cout here at this point, it will be it will be 25 because I sent in the value 100, but it's being modified in this function, so I'm expecting 25 here. So let's save this and recompile the program and do a.out. As you can see here, x is 100, right? And then returning is 25. Okay, so that's the basic of pointers and address in C or C++. And if you like this tutorial, please remember to press like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.